Just a quick video to show you the 650 watt Rosewell power supply running here. It's a gold rated power supply. We've got it hooked up to 5 GPUs here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the way I have it hooked up is I have one of the 8-pin rails. I have that split between 2 cards, and then another 8-pin rail split between 2 cards. And then the last card here, I have a CPU to PCI-ish adapter. This is a really cheap one. I really don't recommend it, but I'm just doing it to test how much power this PSU is actually drawing compared to the one that I was using previously. And in terms of results, the previous PSU, I had that HP 1200 watt. You can find the video on our channel where we actually replaced the previous ATX power supply with the server PSU, and now I'm obviously testing another ATX. But anyways, the wattage draw here is about 603 watts. Before I did the switch, we were pulling around 572. So there's about a 30 watt difference. Now, of course, this model here is only rated for 650 watts. So we are pushing it very hard, probably close to the quote-unquote limit there. But I'm going to do probably a 24-hour test on this. I will be dropping the load because I have an 850 watt EVGA G3 PSU there. What I'm going to do is put 4 GPUs on that one there, and then I'll put the other 4 onto this 650 watt here. And I can feel the fan is really ramped up now to try and, well, obviously it's under a lot of load, so it's obviously going to cool itself down there. In terms of how I powered the GPUs, each one of these SATA strands had a Molex connection at the end, so I just hooked up each GPU riser with one Molex cable. And you can do quick math here. Each one of the GPUs is pulling just over 120 watts, so probably 121 watts each. So 600, divide that 5 ways, yeah, 120 watts. So we've got the cards nicely undervolted, mining Ethereum Classic. So in this situation here, using one Molex strand per GPU will not cause any issues. Now I'm going to do that 24-hour test, and then I'll get back to you guys probably tomorrow, unless I end the test earlier. Then I'll keep you updated. But otherwise, we have some other 8-pin splitters here that we were showing on the channel. Just going to see if this is warm at all. Not really. Seems pretty decent. We have 2 RX 570s on the rig here, and yeah, it feels maybe a little bit warm, but it feels perfectly safe. And I will also test these out under full load for 24 hours. And yeah, that again, this is the Rosewell 650 watt. You can find it on Newegg, and if you're in Canada, it's literally like $60 shipped to the door, 80+ gold rated. And yeah,